Now it should be working, right? Yep. Yeah, let me use the different mic actually. Some people are saying I got a Walmart mic.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Is this mic better? I think this mic's better, probably. Yeah, yeah. All right, cool, cool, cool. All right, let's get this screen shared, get it popping. Boom. I don't want my charge. So I was checking out Popcat. This coin's literally just down. Start off with BTC. Yeah. I think Mouse is going to be joining in today. It's great. Order BTC. This says it all. So there was a fresh daily on BTC that was like right here. This guy. I was kind of hoping for a bounce there. Coming back to this entry on yesterday, the long that we marked out a couple days ago. So probably gonna get stopped out break even on this. Hopefully not. If I am, then we'll be looking to play here and here for BTC. I just want to try to keep it as easy as possible. Um, here, let's see where's Mouse at. Mouse. Any chart requests? Anything really? I mean, ENA. Oh my goodness. Fat soul, fat ENA. No, I'm not going to Dubai. I got kids. They're in school. All right, hold on. Let me make a list. Let me make a list. Let me make a list. ENA, ETH, Fat Soul, EGI. I have no idea what that is. With ICP, XTZ, Ondo, DS, DSI. There's some of the stuff I've never heard, man. Ondo for a condo. Rose. I like Rose AI. Nice. Very nice. All right, let's start. Let's kick this off. All right. ENA. All right. So it's a big area of interest, right? So like, give this massive GP. Like spot traders, what I would assume with spot traders is like building a swing position on spot for ENA, whatever you want to call it. So because of this range being so big, right? It's like what 27%. This is the buy area on ENA, where if you're playing like leverage, which currently I'm doing on ENA right now, I'm actually T-wopping this son of a bitch. So this is the way I'm playing it. I'm T-wopping for 24 hours straight, max position size, and order gets submitted every 15 minutes. Is the way that I'm playing ENA, whatever you want to call it. If you're trying to snipe an entry on leverage, it's to identify your ranges. This guy right here. Gonna give you 3 levels. Every time you get a lower time frame bullish divergence at one of these 3 levels, that's that's like your confirmation to put your limits at those levels, and then your invalidation is whatever divergence you're playing at those levels. So here, let me just go to the 5 minute real quick for you. Check this out. All right. So the way that they would look is like, okay, we're bottoming out already on the five. So like, is it like realistic that we could dump 5-6%? Of course you can. So this would be like limits to buy. Your invalidation is if the RSI makes a lower low there. So you want the price to go down like this. You want your RSI to do that, right? So like that's your confirmation. If the RSI breaks 1792, trades invalidated, trades invalidated, trades invalidated, depending on where we are for the price and where the RSI is. So if the price is invalidated here and the RSI breaks and it makes a new lower low, cut the trade and wait for whatever to happen, and then this, and then add. Now you'd be looking to play these levels. So it looks something like this, like that here, like this there. So like that's how it looks. Any fake HB request. So this is what I have on ENA. I'm testing something, see if it would work. Just key whopping GPs. If it works, then I'll share the results. Good morning, Ninja. Yeah. We have a big list already, so let's get it cracking. Don't let me forget. I have to post these results in the charts. Side to our side. Oh, what's up, Mouse?
You good?
Yeah, what's up, brother? How you doing?
Yeah, I'm all good, mate. Thank you. I forgot how hard the puppy stage is for dogs. Not how hard it is, how time consuming it is.
Yeah, it is. It's a challenge.
Might look to a scalp ENA here, but if I'm forcing it a little bit, to be honest. I've got a little tiny baby 15-minute range.
Mm-hmm. Yep, that's what
Oh
we're
shit,
charting
you're
out
looking at
right
it now,
now.
yeah.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
yeah,
nice.
pretty much. I mean, I kind of see already what it's reacting to. It's just like, I feel like these levels are already played out. But I mean, at the end of the day, are they not valid? Yeah, they're valid. Like this little 4 hour range right here.
I was looking for a little DJ and I've pulled like a little 15-minute range.
I mean, it's respecting this 4 hour range, like the value area high, the range to see value
Kind of tough at the minute. It's not really much going on.
I mean, I'm hoping for some excitement here. Yeah. BTC we went over here. I'll just post. So, what I'll do is I'll just post the charts. So that way, if you guys have questions, you kind of understand like already what we're going to do. Yeah, Ishi, let's go, bro. You already know, man. You already know. RSI tells the story. That's like the BTC. E. Yo, G-Bird. You guys really want to see how I build a chart?
Get that extract for 618.
You did, didn't it? Pretty Pico. Spot accumulation on E. Leverage trades. Keep it simple. 27.99, 26.37, 25.07, 24.23, 23. What do you want me to pull it on? This whole upward range? It's gonna give you some ugly levels. Might even scare me. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it was, bro. That's scary. Like I'm straight. Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good on that. I mean, it. All right. To all honesty, bro. Look, it still matches anyway. It doesn't really matter. But then you have like all these candles, so that you can pull those. It's just gonna get. Look, it fucking matches. It really doesn't matter. It's okay. Like it all makes sense. Like every single one of these levels, as you see, were valid entries, right? No levels, just fucking new. Yes, the first level got wrecked. Most likely, it's because there was no divergence. Then we got our dude. And then let's see if we want to sweep these. 27.99. No div at 27.99, 26.37. I don't know. It just makes it so much easier. Like if we just look at it like level by level, and then just tie in the divergence to let you know, like, hey, play it, or no, don't play it.
I like OM. My small little retracement still.
That's E. You guys, if you guys have questions about like the strategy, on like what I mean by this, it's like if we're forming a lower time frame divergence at any of these levels, it's a valid trade. This strategy profitable? Nah, you just get liquidated. We don't play fib levels. We just play. The only fib levels I play are TPs. Like if I get filled anywhere in here, like for spot or leverage, my TPs are fib levels. And then I'll also use fib levels as like a guide too. But it's not that important. It might just like psych you out. Let's just say we go all the way down here, right? What I want to see is what happens in here. I want to see if we reject this 6.9 or if we get above the 6.9 and start flipping fib levels. But like I'm not playing them specifically. Yeah, this is fun. I use the 4-hour and daily to pull my fib levels. Yeah, RSI is my confirmation on everything pretty much, except like if like this T-whopping strategy that I'm practicing right now. I posted E set. If we're at a POC and when we're forming a lower time frame divergence. Alright, so this is the last time we were on stream. It was probably a week ago. These were my levels of interest. Desert, let them know, Desert. yeah. No, Desert's been I've been working with Desert for like a year now. He's actually fucking killing me. Tom, I have a list. I'll add WLD after INJ. Chart requests. INJ is second from last. I got you guys though. Like I won't. We got time. We got plenty of time.
You got any 1-on-1 today, Pocky?
Yeah. A couple. I got so much work to do. There's this. There's actually a collector that's interested in like some of my head earpieces, like my pieces that are like 10, 20, 30 grand, and he wants to pay with crypto. So I was like, perfect. Like let's get on a call. You know, we'll get on like a video call. We'll go through like all the pieces and see if I can sell some more glass today.
Yeah, nice.
All right, so for that, I mean, all right, you want like spot or like leverage? Don't get scammed. Nah, I'm not gonna get. Come on, right? Come on. Heady pieces like high-end bongs, I guess you call it. We call it functional glass art. Yeah, like dab rigs and stuff. Yeah. 17441 for that. If it comes. Yeah, I got some crazy shit, man. Like AKMs, Darby's, Nate, bro, you name it, I got it. Serto, Bluegrass, Toro, fuck, I don't know. Salt. All of them. I have them all. And you wish you had PvP in a game? Yeah, I can't find a train view. It's literally just PvP. Periodic volume profile. My settings are a little bit different. So I extend the POC to the right, and I remove the volume profile, remove all this shit, and then I turn the Instagram box to 0. Alright, so for that, bullish divergence at 17441, or we sweep the low and we bounce there. Okay, cool, that's fire. You have a, what's that? Yeah, you have an in-case opal. Looks like the, I can't tell if those nibs are faceted or not. That's what's up, dude. Little jammer. Oh shit. And then of course whoever requested FET, if we get back above like $2, like these will not get FET. But realistically, this is your area of interest. I only have one left. Actually, you know what? Let me take that back. Okay. I take that back.
I feel like a lot of bolts look like that. If they reclaim a level just above it, they should send. But then it's not
Man, like everything's setting up really nicely for like, okay, so we're creating a range, right? This is the exact shit we like to see. It's different when we're up here, right? When we're at like highs and we're ranging and you see a deviation, right? So like we had a div, we broke down, targeting the lows would be your first TP for this short, right? Now what you want to see is we want to see a divergence happen here for our next leg up, and then obviously you'd be targeting the highs here and here and then higher. I think Eli said like what, $4? There you go. Like these are your levels for FET. Here, let me start up a little bit for you. There's no reason to spend too much time on these charts. I mean, dude, I'm just gonna keep it as simple as possible for you guys. Disclaimer, remember, every single of these levels that I post was a merger with FET with TA Mathematic currently. That was my question I had a while ago when that news came out. Like, what, what's going to happen with all that. I couldn't get a clear answer. So yeah, so the disclaimer is the same on every single trade. Every level is confirmed, validated, invalidated with lower time frame divergence. That is the disclaimer. So you actually have like two possible trades. I wouldn't count this as two trades. I'd count this as one. So you have one, two, and then this one, if you're in it now, like you're holding on for dear life. All right, that's done. Soul. Looks like okay. I'm still in it. Still in Soul. Literally fucking wreck every single possible level.
I'm looking at 95s for Soul. Kind of scary
Wild.
though.
Like, dude,
Yeah.
this is just absolutely crazy. The best part of this, no dibs, no trade. You actually got like a lower time frame divergence right there. But I mean, you just broke even round trip.
Kind of a big accumulation spot zone.
Yeah, I like that. I really like that mouse. I really. It's just really difficult because, right? Like I almost want to pull this, right? And then I want to pull this. I want to pull that. 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 But that's too much. That's gonna be so many levels. So you know what we'll do? We'll just do this. Boom. So you can already see what happened. We reacted to that level on the first drop. And mouse, does this match up with what you got? It sure fucking does. Go, buddy.
Yeah, pretty much.
Let's go, buddy. All right, but before we get all excited and all that good shit, these are the levels that that I'm currently playing on. And these are the levels that I played yesterday. My average entry is 127. Literally that level right there. Stop loss break even also. My next levels that I'd be looking to play is exactly what Mouse pointed out. It's here. I see what he's looking at even lower, which is fine. Lower just means we get better entries and we'll have bigger TVs.
Quite a wide DCA zone, but I'm looking for spot accumulation to be honest down there.
Spot.
So,
Yeah, I would agree with this. If you're looking for spot exposure, yeah, like 16%, that's not too bad. If you're wanting to snipe and do leverage, each level is a valid level, but you would have to wait for your low time divergence.
kind of fucked that Soul's back down here.
It is kind of wild. This 110 level would be I would talk about like a knife catch here. So what you'd want to see is if these levels do not hold, I hope they hold. I'm long, but if I get stopped out break even, I won't pay attention to this. What I would be looking at is if we came down here, knife catch, and then everything will decide on this level right here. So as soon as I get filled, and if I DCA with the divergence, of course, I want to see this level flip. If we sweep and we reject off the sweep level, then Mouse is getting filled on the spot.
Good.
Done. All right, 1 second. I just I have to manage a trade real quick. Oh shit, fuck me. I tried to play BTC this morning. Didn't work out too well. EWAP, ENA, shit as well. I don't know if I really like TWAP. All right, I'm back. DGI. I'm not like a big on-chain guy. Okay, so it's on BitGet and NextC. I got you, but like Oh, it doesn't look too bad. You're forming a range right now, right? So deviate below the range. Grab this liquidity here. Right here. Yes, I don't think it's ready yet, personally. Like 250, 2.5 cents. Seems legit. The only thing is right now is like if the value area, yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. So like if this value area low holds, these levels will never get hit. So like something like, and then it just like forms a range. The deviations below the range and above the range are like your shorts and your longs. Everything in BTC swipes that 61K. I mean, I think that's the consensus across all retail. So, you know, usually what retail wants, retail won't get. So like everyone's either wanting 61K and they're gonna bid it and everyone's gonna get liquidated, or you're gonna get front ran. Like the only two options. It's like a 99% chance that won't. Because I see that's what retail wants to do. A lot of levels on this coin. I don't want to confuse you, but like this is what I have to do on all my charts because I want to know every single possible level that I could play a coin, and I wouldn't be doing you any service if I didn't let you know that these are all potential levels to play. Every single level is a possible trade, a possible entry with lower time frame leverages. So if you are like a full-time trader, if you have tons of time where you can sit in front of a computer and scalp this coin to actually catch the bottom, one of these levels will be the bottom. Yeah, it's not gonna be in between. It's not gonna be in between. It won't. No. It's literally one of those. So I think having that is probably gonna be your best bet. The other thing that you can say is that you're in a buy area right now. Like this is a logical area, right? So all these GPs are my areas of interest. The levels are my entries / trades with divergent PvP settings. Yeah, yes. Volume profile off. Histogram 0. Inputs extend to the right. Default settings. Where do I set my alerts? Everywhere. I literally max out alerts, like 1,200 alerts, 800 to 1,200 alerts at a time. So like it would be before, like this would have already got alerted like right here, and then I'll put another alert like at this low, alert. Now I wouldn't really have to worry about like all these alerts, like because what's gonna happen is like I'll get an alert, I'll look at the chart, and if it makes sense, then I'll add my limits. If it doesn't, then I'll just re-add a new alert. So that way I don't have like 10 alerts on one coin. Mostly like 2 or 3 alerts. Mostly 2. Because I'll have my short level and I'll have my long levels. Okay, BTC's doing alright. Let's fucking go. You add your limits with no. I add my limits before the div. I front run the div. That's the only way you'll get Pico entries. If you play after the div is printed, then you're not that you're chasing, but your invalidation now is much wider.
I think the benefit of like anticipating the div is we get it, and then people pump our bags.
Yes, that's it. That's basically. I mean, that's what happens every time. I mean, we could literally. I can pull up any chart, and after you, like, if you played the POC in anticipation of a div, then the div prints. This is exactly what happens at almost like 99% of the time. So bullish divergence. Actually, hold on. Let's just say there's a POC right here, right? RSI. Pretend this is like 5, 15, 30 minutes. Doesn't matter your time frame. So this is what it looks like. So the RSI is oversold now, right? Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your little pump, and everyone's gonna say the coin looks like shit. Well, guess what? Our bids are there. We get filled, then you get this pump, right? The RSI looks like this. Everyone starts buying right here. They'll buy this retest and pump our bags. And then what do you notice? Inverse head and shoulders. We're in on the head. That's right, we like heads. So like that's the way that you play this. You have your divergence, so price makes a lower low, RSI makes a higher low, and everyone pumps their bag. And we're stopped out break even. Yeah, oh yeah. We're break even 30-minute candle, 5-minute candle, 15-minute candle after the candle that creates the divergence. So if this was 5-minute, it's going to take 10 minutes for this trade to play out. If it's 15, it's going to take 30. If you're playing a 30-minute div, it's going to take an hour. So the 30-minute candle you're getting filled, you have to wait now another 30 minutes for your validation or invalidation. Meaning, because like, how many times have you seen this, right? Let's just say it rejects off of here, right? It rejects off the sweep level that we're anticipating a divergence. Let me get rid of all these head and shoulders. So then you see something like this. It comes back down, and now it sweeps this level. Guess what? There's another POC there. Then what do? You bid that. So you're stopped out break even, then you just play the next POC. And then what's the RSI look like? That. It's still a div. It's like a double div. People call it it would be like a triple div, double div. But like you'll see this happen a lot on 5 and 15. When realistically, like if it was happening on the 5, it was just a 15-minute div. If it happened on the 30, it was just a double 15. It's kind of funny how that works out. It's a div form after you yes, we're anticipating the divergence. We're front running the div. But we can only do that, right, if we're oversold or overbought. All right, enough of the, did I post the TA for this point? No, I didn't. Enough of this. I don't, there's probably not a lot of people on that's going to be traded this coin. So this one was specifically for you. It's pretty good. In a buy area. Here, let me get rid of this. Just the trading view tool. Just trading view tool. Nah, I haven't gotten to. No one requested RNDR yet. I'll add it to the list if we got time. List is getting pretty wild. Yeah, Fib's just a drawing tool. Thanks, man. Whip. All right, this is an old, obviously an old chart. What I had for spot accumulation. Looks like you would have got gigafill. And ow. Yeah, see, levels don't lie, guys. I mean, like, it's there. It's as clean as day. These levels are still valid as well. So you'd be looking at now. Let's take a look and see what other levels we have. Your ticket filled on whiff? You played these levels? You're a fucking animal. Yeah, bro. We did this. We did this shit like back in March. This TA's from March. All this. Look at this shit. This is the only one that got rest, and I promise you there was no div there. Div. I guarantee. I guarantee it. It's not from Detroit. That's what we say. So, I mean, look. I mean, these levels were here from March. Look how they turn into like resistance, current support, and then your next levels of support would be these guys. Yeah. Oh, you're just looking for trade ideas? Yeah, man, we got you. Got a lot of killers in here that are experts on TA and execution right now. So no better place to be than here. Not in the live stream. I'm talking about local. You know, live stream's pretty crazy. Oh, come on, BTC. Juice. Been underwater all fucking day. I hate starting days like that. I'm sure a lot of other people agree. Like waking up, can barely even focus, and you're like, oh man, like I wanna get into a trade. And then you get into a trade and fucking it's like underwater the whole time. Oh yeah, let's fucking go, baby! Yeah! Woohoo! Let's go! Fuck yeah, hit my goal today already. Let's go! Yes. Me so happy. With damn! BTC's flying, baby. Let's go! Holy shit!
Range POC was peaking.
Bro! Fucking juicing mouth! Off like a 1% move, I'm so happy. It's a big position, Ray. Don't judge me, motherfucker. Don't judge me. So like, I'm in here, and then on another account, I got in here. Some of these people. No! My risk management is good. I play on tons of DJs accounts, man. That's all I can do now. That's all I can do. I'm fucking juicing. Nice. It calls for a nice little dab for all my smokers. Oh, Mouse got his first dab of hash rosin in Miami. It was nice.
I was lit.
You're lit, lady like a titty, baby. All right, we're coming to a range low already. Rejection. I've already put TPs. I mean, I have TPs stop loss break even on this. Like, I do not want to sit in this trade all day long. All right, back to work. Did I post? Yeah, whiff. Whiff looks great, guys. Barbecue, I really hope you print on that, bro. ICP. Insane Clown Posse. I scared you with the screaming. My bad. Hey man, we gotta celebrate our wins. You know what I mean? Like, you have to celebrate. It's not like it's not like you're guessing. It's not like you're gambling or anything. It's like I was right, and that's all that matters. Like, I was right. I'm happy. I'm printing, and I'm just gonna. It's a good fucking way to start the day. Like, my energy is through the roof. I'm gonna go sell $100,000 in glass just because of this energy. Regardless, even if I get stopped out break even, I don't care. All right. ICP. it's gonna be the same story. Like I hope I don't sound like a Super Bowl to you guys, but like all these coins are gonna look the fucking same. Like they're all gonna look identical. You're just in massive buy areas. Like that's why you'll see like big influencers and stuff talking about like spot accumulation. It's because we're in big buy areas. We're in big support, big buy areas. I mean, we're at levels from like a long time ago. Damn, the chat ends up going crazy. There's no way I can fucking keep track of all this. Need an assistant just for chat. Single prints, big green candles. Yes. What was the question? Is there a way to access the media screenshots here after the stream? Yeah, they'll be in the chat. They'll be in the chat. Like I post them all. Like you'll be able to just go and reference them here. Like, don't be afraid that these levels were played on ICP. They're valid levels with divergences. Remember that. It does not matter if we've already tapped them or not. The only reason why I would ignore them is if. Okay, let's go. I'll actually go show you what I mean. See? Like right now, check it out. Valid, oversold with a bullish divergence. Right? Same thing. Like we're oversold here, but there's no POCs to bid. So like if we're still like in here and we're here, I don't care. But if we're like this and then the price is there, oh, you better believe it. For sure. I'd play that shit with no fear. Because it's like you have your invalidation. Most like 90% of the time you're gonna be able to cut the trade for like a very minimal loss or break even. Like it's not shouldn't be like a fucking huge hit on your account. Yes, liquidation levels are so like I play when we talk about the strategy or I talk about anything, I talk about levels, right? So levels can consist of POCs, value area high, value area low, range POC, and liquidation levels. So like I'm a level trader, but I use Fibonacci as like I'm a level trader, but I play reversals. So I buy when the price is going down and I short when the price is going up because we're hitting levels. But I tie divergences in as my confirmation to bid those levels, and then also the RSI as my invalidation to close the trade out. Jimbo, Soul is up there. You just gotta scroll up.
I think planning strategy
up
you have
there
to
as
be
well.
planning
What happened,
strategy you have to be extremely good at blocking out the noise.
Oh yeah, this strategy
This
is like
strategy, like,
the most fucking goat. It's so robotic. Like it does not matter like what the fuck is what everyone else. It does not matter what anyone thinks. The market is going to do what it's going to do because it's programmed. You guys know this is all based off of math, right? Everything is like we're trading something that is literally math. I see someone's name, his name math in here, which is perfect. It's all math. It's nothing else. It's not your balls. It's not your stomach. It's not what you think. Now, is there like shit coins and stuff that can be manipulated when the market cap's really low? Of course it is. But we're like we don't even care to really talk about those. But can you play them? Yes, because it's still math. Yeah, you can definitely tell when the bots is turned off. You can see it 1,000%. It's mostly during the weekends and after hours because like institutions they'll turn them off. The quant departments will turn off all the shit. All right, ICP. Here's your levels of interest. this coin. Like I highly doubt it's going to respect levels as well as something else. EMAs? Nah, I like EMAs. More noise. Holy fuck. So like if I can't read a chart, like even on the daily, then I'll just go higher. I want to be able to identify ranges is like the most important part. So range, range, range. So now I have my three ranges that I could pull, and you can clearly see, right? So you have accumulation, manipulation, distribution. All right. These levels were here before we did anything else. So it really doesn't matter. Right, there you go. Ah, yeah, almost Pico. I think XTC you probably have a little bit more room down. Bearish on the weekly RSI. You want to see? Okay, so man, I hate talking about higher time frame. So when I see something like this, when an asset loses the 50 on the RSI, this is where your bearish trend will start. So you want to see this weekly get back above and continue its upward move. So it makes sense, right? Deviate below the 50. Fill all these levels are valid levels, so we're talking spot here, unless you're gonna try to be a fucking ninja leverage trade this on Bybit. So these are your levels. All levels are valid with a bullish divergence. Current level, this value area high is acting as resistance. Pretty much all she wrote on this one. R&DR was the last requested one, right? Yeah. Okay, old TA. Let's see how it worked. It worked. Old TA worked. There you go. Levels are levels. I didn't have any levels for here because we didn't have that yet. So now you can go back, and there's your levels of rejection, levels of rejection, levels of rejection. So it's the same. Nothing has changed for Ondo. You're in a buy area. You can say that. You can say this. And then you could just be like a micromanaged type of guy right here. So all these levels inside this GP are currently valid. And then you have additional levels here, and additional levels there. These are the only levels that I'll be looking to play on Ondo. This is it. And then you'll use, okay, so like the reason why I want to pull ranges that are above, even if I'm longing, it doesn't matter. Like, can I head short these levels? Of course. There's no wrong or right. But what I want to see, like if I'm long from here, or if I long here, or if I long here, you'll have to pull a new range, right? Like your current range, like this. So if I get filled here, I want us to see us get back above and continue up. If I'm already long on Ondo right now, I want to see these levels flip, this level flip, and this level flip. Then that's when we can be like, okay, we're going to the moon. Target all-time highs. Like that's the thought process that goes through my brain every time. If anyone has any questions on these charts, tag me in chart ideas, and I'll try to do what I'm saying. I'll try to write it up because right now I know all I'm doing is posting levels, but that's literally all I do. Is I just post levels and I play the levels with like divergence. It's not as complicated as people think. I and J will be 2 coins. 2 coins, then we'll do INJ. Everybody wants INJ real bad, huh? Listen, I played it. I gave up on it. All right, you guys got me doing another one of these. Yes. Fib extensions are fucking wild, man. They work really good in price discovery. So like bot targets, like if we flip this GP 120, 146, 173, $2, 227, like all that. And then I can show you how this shit works with all-time lows as well. You'll be pretty shocked.
If you're playing on chain with a lot of these AI coins, I'll scaling out of a lot of these AI coins at those levels. They work. They're pretty good.
It does work. And then you know, especially with all these like what do you like, banana, Unibot, like all those where you can add limits at these levels is fucking insane. So good. Nope, that's more work. Like I've always had the mentality of like work smart, not hard. And I know people that use this strategy and use order flow, DVD, OI, you know, a lot of other things, but like at that point, you know, you're limiting your I'd be limiting myself on like how many actual trades I can take. Like you can ask the ninjas. I'll literally get into 10, 20, 30, 40. I got into 50 trades Friday and it was the most stressful experience I've ever had trading in 3.5 years of trading. Like 50 positions opening up all at one time, trying to managing them all at one time was the most stressful thing I've ever been through when it comes to trading. If I was playing order flow, CBD, other strategies, I wouldn't have been able to take 90% of those trades at all because trying to process all that data at once would be nearly impossible. But what I did is I played POCs. I seen that the divergences were getting oversold. So that was like, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna blindly, you know, my limits were already there. So there was like no turning back after. And it was Friday was my first time I've taken losses this month or this year. So, lesson learned: never to do 50 again. Stick to like 25, 30. Right now, 25, 30 is doable. 50, fuck that. All right, I posted Hondo. CSI. Okay. This is extremely difficult. Not sure really what you want me to chart out. There's no data, so the only thing that we could go off of is lower time frame right now. So I don't even care about what's going on before. All we have to work with this coin is this. That's it, and it already played out. So let me go back and add this. Oh shit! You just got filled like this morning. This is all you have. This is all I got. Let me manage this BTC trade real quick. Sorry, guys.
That's fine. We'll trace him.
Yeah, fully retrace. I'm gonna add. I'm gonna still add limits lower than. Okay. All right.
I've got 61063. Well, that's all I've got.
Yeah. I have that too. I have like 40 Bitcoins spread out down there. Nothing crazy big. Nothing crazy. No, like three digit BTC trades yet. Not yet. Okay, so I'm sorry, but there's not much for me to talk about at this point. See if nothing's changed. So I'm not sure if you're already in the trade. You know, if you're in here, this is the level you want to see hold. So if you're in there, these are the levels you want to see hold and flip. Hold and flip. Reject, flip, and then, you know, do something like that. Create like this, a channel or upwards, right? There's really nothing, I'm sorry. You have 3 levels as of right now. As a guide, this was your long entry here. I wish there was more. What are your thoughts about BTC? Can it dump more this heavy? I don't know. I don't know. I mean, like, I have the BTC chart that I posted earlier. I mean, it is what it is. I'm just gonna play every level. I'm ready for it to pump. I got 3 BTC longs and 2 shorts. I'm ready for it to pump. I'm ready for it to dump. I'm not gonna try to predict anything. Like, the only thing I'll ever try to predict is TPs, man. That's pretty much about it. Like, my BTC bull run targets like 102, 150, and then like obviously higher.
I think that's something that really helped me in my trading. Like, don't try and predict the market. Don't like think it goes somewhere. Just see what you want to see, where you want to see it, and pull the trigger.
Yeah, I mean, like that's what's best for me. I mean,
Yeah, me too.
If someone else tries to predict something, and if they're right, then awesome, man. Like, that's great. But a lot of times where I see people predicting shit, they're not even positioned for it anyways. So what's the fucking point? Like, who cares if you predicted, you know, let's just say, oh, I predicted the bottom at 16K, and I predict 150K. Okay, so you're long from 16? No, I'm not. I'm not long from 16K. So, like, does it matter? It really doesn't. What matters to me is that, like, I have my levels, I execute at my levels with my confirmation, and then my TPs are already preset. See, BTC's looking ugly again. Like, I disagree. The reason why I disagree with BTC looking ugly is we're oversold. We're forming potential bullish divergences, and we have levels to play them. Like BTC will look ugly to me if it's at 0. That's what BTC looks ugly to me if it goes to 0. But rather than that, it's just even when it's pumping, we're going to levels unless we're all that high. And even when it's dumping, we're just coming to levels to play. There's potential divergences on BTC right now. Just look at like the 15. Look at the 15. You'll see it. 30, no, there's no 30, but there's 15, yes. 15, 5 minute. Like I'd just be paying attention to. I'm already short BTC. Like I have 2 shorts right now. So I'm short from here. And I'm short from here. And I'm long from here. I'm long here. And I'm about to get stopped out break even on this long that I took this one. And then probably get stopped out on the other long as well. So my bias will not change on them. I gotta look for longs. Alright, CSX done. Rose? I like it.
Okay, I've got to quickly go grab my opposite from inflation. So I'll be back in 15 minutes. If you're back on, I'll be back on.
Yeah, I'll probably call it around like 10:30, 11.
What's the time now there?
It's 10. So like in 30 minutes from now, I should be here.
Come. Alright, boys. Speak to you soon.
Thanks for hanging out, Mouse. I appreciate you.
All good, bro. All good. See you later.
No, it's too big, dude. It's fucking ginormous. Like, look right now. Like, right now. Like, today. What's the point of having longs and shorts open at the same time? Because I'm milking the market for every fucking dollar that it'll give me. I'm sorry if that came off really strong, but it's just... This strategy literally allows you to play POC to POC. Like, you're literally long, short, long, short, long, short. Am I that good? No, like, I'm not fucking doing all that. But the big extreme levels, I will. And then what that also allows me to do, sub accounts. I'm a trader. I literally have like 1,000 streams at the office and at the house. I have screens everywhere, monitors everywhere. This is just a hobby. If somebody that like, I don't know, collects Hot Wheel cars or something, they got a lot of them, right? Like, it's a hobby to me. Yes, B. Wilson. There you go, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. All right, Rose. I cannot. Dumb Dingus. That's a great name, bro. I cannot full port. Like my entire net worth, I can't. But like 100K account, I just did that Friday. So it was on 5X, it was $500,000. And then Matic, I was 6 figures in Matic on another account. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. Look at this. Look at this range on the daily right here with Rose. This is the juice. Oh, fuck, okay. All right. If we get 6.8, 6.6, then that shit. Maybe you're gonna get front ran, possibly. Oh, BTC. We're sweeping. We're sweeping. I don't know anyone that has that kind of money that can buy it all. I know there's people that have goals on trying to buy it all. Definitely. Yeah, you want to see BTC like bounce like right now. Like if we continue to go lower, like the RSI is about to like if the RSI goes any lower on the 15, trade's invalidated, no longer looking along BTC. So here, hold on. I'm on another chart. I'm on another screen. 25.88 on the 15 minute. 25.88 on the 15 minute would invalidate any longs on BTC. All your levels on Rose, you can take this high risk long right here in this area. You have two levels, so that let's see how big the gap is though. Oh, it's not big. One trade only on Rose. With a 5, 15, 30-minute bullish divergence right here. That's your money mark. This one I would say is like your super high risk stuff. You'd probably play this like a 5-minute candle closure below 85, 89 would invalidate this trade. So it needs to go and then stack. If not, then we just get full through. Like Rose. I was looking at Rose actually earlier. Alright, what time frame works for invalidations? The same time frame that you're using for your confirmation. Oh, BTC, let's go. Let's go. Stop me out. Re-insert. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. This time I got a better entry. Let's go. This is great. Pocky is the best video game on the planet. No problem, yo. My pleasure, brother. Okay. The moment everyone is waiting for. INJ. The most highly requested coin. Oh shit, it got nuked on. People look at this and be like, oh wow, he got wrecked. Incorrect. I played it. I played INJ and made massive amounts of money on INJ. I love this coin. So, this, I mean, I'm already filled. I would like to see these levels hold, which are legitimate levels right now. So any pullback on INJ is here. If you want me to help you out a little bit more, and we add this, there you go. Oh yeah, it looks so good. I'm so happy for my INJ. Here's your levels. See, this is why I do this. I love to have as many levels on my chart as possible. Why? Every single one is a potential trade with the lower time frame divergence. If you notice, look what happens when there's no levels. Like, I'm not fucking kidding. Look when there's no levels. What happens? Boom. Oh, John's long? Nice. Very, very nice. I like that. I respect it. I love it. It's my brother, so if he's bullish on BTC, we're at logical levels for bounce. We're at support. RSI saying reversal. Spin that motherfucker. Let's go. Really needs to bounce. don't want to see a 15-minute candle closure below 62K. Oh, he has okay, great. So tons of WD traders are interested in BTC down at these levels. Perfect. I love it. So this is old TA. This chart was posted long time ago. Let's get rid of like all these bullshits so it doesn't confuse you. So these levels down here for longs, these levels down here for longs. You want to see, if you're already long on INJ, guys, you want to see these flip, flip, flip. That's what you want to see. Okay. Got you, Z-Max. I got 3 more coins, and then I'll do your Bean X. What was next? WLD? Two minutes on BTC. It needs to close above 62, man. Come on. Come on, BTC. No, Erlen, no. I use the range POC as a guide. Now, if we're coming, okay, so like when I pull these, see how every single one is just a potential trade. So like, would I play this range? Yes, 100%. Would I play this range? 100%. Would I play the current range POC that we're in now? No. Because my invalidation, it most likely you're not going to have a divergence. But if we go and we reject and we come down and we get a bull dip here, then yes. I don't play flip. I'm not flipper. Little flipper. Damn that rappers. Old school for any of my traders that's in their 30s or older. They'll know about little flipper. You youngsters will probably have no idea what I'm talking about. Lots of questions. I'm not gonna say yes. I'm not gonna say no to that. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. And it's really basically it's like if the chart has too many lines on it, most likely I'll clear it out and redo it. And just mark out like very important ones. Wait, what is market sucking? That's not the sucking that we want. 15-minute above. Yeah. 15-minute div. It's an ugly ass 15-minute div, but hey, it's there. Stop loss break even. Again. That's gonna suck if I get stopped out break even for like the 3rd time today. I'll just play lower. Oops. Keep messing up, sorry. I'm trying to add my stop loss and profit on BTC. Okay, so WLD, let's take a look. Ooh, oh shit. Shit. I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but either you're filled with stop loss break even, or you're sidelined and you're waiting for a clear level to trade. do it with Teal Street, to be honest with you. I think if you use Teal Street like if you use the Teal Street terminal with Binance, I think you can do it partially, and that would enable you to add your stop loss. I really don't know. I don't trade on Binance. All right. Okay, so we have these levels, but hold on, there's more. You have the range that we're in right now. Right? Okay. Perfect. Let me add these little bastards right here. Now let's take a look at low time. I mean, right here is your super high risk long scalp, but invalid. Like, I don't even know if there's a lower time frame divergence for me. Is there? Ooh, there actually is. Hello. Oh, here. Like 46645. Invalidation. RSI goes below here. It just sucks because there's no levels after that until 3-9. Oh, mouse. Earthquake just hit. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Alright. Well, when shit like that happens, it's kind of like, okay, risk off. Like, natural disasters and stuff we can't really control. That would affect the financial market depending on how much damage there is. Yeah. I mean, it's logical levels. There's nothing wrong with it. Yeah, so basically sweeping the lows. Yeah, let's go back on. I gotta post this chart. I don't want to mess you up. Alright, WLD. These are all logical levels with lower time frame divergence. Everything is going in the buy areas for me right now. Holy shit. I was stopped out break even on BTC. Let's see what happens with our new levels. WOD's done. Did we just tap that level? Oh shit. Look at that. Oh no, it got front ran. No. You know what's funny is I probably did not accurately pull it. To be honest. Oh no, I did. Here's what I pulled. Yeah, front ran. It happens. Oh well. Oh man, that would have been funny if we seen that happen live. If it closes below 46, 466, 45, here we go. It'll be toast. Oh, Ishi, welcome back. You want to jump on stream, bro? I need someone to talk to, man. Our WLD's done. He had to leave for just a moment. Limit place, buckle the fuck up. Where are you bidding? Where are you bidding? What are you bidding is the question. I'm getting fucking wrecked everywhere. Me too. Are you talking about like on chain? Yeah, me too, bro. I don't even want to look at it. I don't even want to look at it. 69210 is all I got. That's all I got. 69210 is all I have for RDR. If not, then this candle. What's going on? Oh shit! Fucking nuking! Let's go! And you guys are bidding like all 60,000, 60,000. What levels do we have? I don't think I have anything that low or that high. I think all my shit's lower. Yeah, so you have like a lot of levels. Oh, hold on, let me get rid of this. RDR, pretty much like it's at a level to bid right now, and I'm pretty sure there's probably a bullish divergence forming on a lower time frame. But what would really interest me is here, there, and there. So 4 potential trades. BTC was indeed looking ugly. I suppose, but like I'm excited. Like I wanna get long again on BTC. So that's perfect for me. Yeah, shorts are printing. Right? So shorts are printing. I'm in a long from 39K. I need to look for more longs. I'm in on ETH. What's ETH at? Dirt cheap. Okay, RDR, and then Doge and BMX, and then I'm gonna call it. I have to get to work. That sucks. I'm jealous. You guys are gonna be able to probably catch some fucking sexy entries. Oh yeah, ETH. It's a coming. It's a coming, man. You're gonna front run me, Ishi? You're gonna front run 29.11, 27.99. You are gonna front run me, you front running son of a bitch. Ishi catching the fucking bottom. Let's all go, my boy. Woohoo! Pocky gonna front me. Hey, don't look at me, bro. Look at Ishi. Ishi's the one that just front ran all of us. Fuck out of here with that. I plan on closing my 39K long when you see me post the P&L card at 150K. Yes. There's like, that's exactly what I did with E, right? I mean, my shit is there. There's no edits. You won't see the message edited or anything. But when I longed this 26 on this day right here in February, I gave all my TPs. And my mood bag target was like 40,000 or 40,000. I wish 4,050 was a moon bag target. When I posted that P&L card, I literally have like nothing left in this position. It was just for shits. Like that's the only time I'll predict. I'll predict something is TPs. I won't predict entries or levels to play. I'm not someone that looks at like total 2, total 3, or total. It does work with my strategy, but I just don't play it that. It just once again more noise for me because even if like total 2 is going down or any total is going down or going up, there's going to be coins that does not give a fuck what BTC's doing. It just they don't care, right? So if it doesn't care, then like I shouldn't care. I'm just gonna play my levels with my confirmation and my invalidation. That's it. Like I had a lot of alerts go off, so many alerts. But if I'm gonna stream, I can't concentrate on opening up all those trades. ETH, yes, definitely. RNDR, we did it. Doge. What's it doing? Ranging? Yes. Range? Yes. I'm probably gonna have to look forward time frame on Doge. I'll do higher time frame first, and then lower time frame after. Okay, yeah, the range that we're in right now. It needs to reclaim back above. Like right now, like Doge needs to get back above. If not, like here and then back above. If we lose this, then 11. Like 14 is the do or die level. Alright, last one. Beam F. Is it? My on, I don't even want to look at my on chain. I guarantee you it's probably down 20, 30, 40%, maybe even 50. Yeah, it is. Holy shit. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my goodness. Yeah, my on chain is shit. Just complete shit. Alright, back to what I know. Should just kept my ETH. Should just held all my spot ETH and just play leverage. Just know what I know how to know what to do and play what I know, and it's really easy. I wish I could use Teal Street on Dex. It should be coming soon. That's the exciting part. Teal Street V3, we will be able to trade on chain with Teal Street. It's going to be a absolute fucking game changer. I promise you guys that. Promise. Oh, BeamX, beautiful. All right, so 2 potential trades on BeamX. That is higher time frame. Don't get your panties in a bunch. Let me do low time frame now. I've already did ICP. Scroll up, Dr. Zombie. We're working on the app too. Spot is in the work stream. Very hard. Very hard to code on Spot. Oh, okay, BMX. Die area low. What do you know? Add your fibs. Bada bing, bada boom. So you got 3 potential trades on BMX. 1, 2, 3. That's what you got. Oh, Ishi, your stop loss should have been already break even if you caught the bottom like that, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. You know better. You know better. Yes, yes, yes. You could, yeah. Everything's done through API, so it's not like you don't have to worry about your like money disappearing or some shit because it's all API and you can control it to where it only allows you to open and close trades. Yeah, yeah. Okay, Ishi. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I don't want to post it. All right, there you go. BMX 24280220055 18 and 16. Good job. Let's go, Ishi. Let's go, Ishi. BMX. All right, guys. It's been almost like an hour and 40 minutes. I have to head to the stores. Then I'll head to the office for one-on-ones, and I will see you. I'll try to make it back for Dow and Bryce's stream later today. All the charts that we posted today, every single one of those levels that you guys see with the purple lines are all valid levels for longs and shorts and the confirmation of 5 minute, 15, 30-minute dip. So that means if we are forming a 5 minute bullish divergence, we are oversold and overbought. That's when we'll play those levels. A break of that divergence or no divergence invalidates the trade, which then means you most likely are going to be playing the next level with a 15-minute divergence. And then rinse and repeat. If that doesn't work, the 30-minute divergence. If that doesn't work, you sit on your hands, you not give a fuck about that point until we hit the extreme levels with another 5, 15. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. That's it. Oh shit, you can't hear me? Fuck. Okay, so you guys want to... Oh, yeah. This is, you guys want to know what happened? I had my headphones on and I thought my mic on my headphones is working, but it's actually my desktop mic that I've been using and talking. And I got up, it started walking around the office. My apologies, but did you not? Do I need to repeat it? I'll repeat it. Each level is a valid. I'm dying. I'm dying right now. 1 second. All right, so each level is a valid level. 5, 15, 30. If it doesn't, if it, you can't go now or Nuki. I literally have to jump in my. How do you think I feel? I feel like we're gonna be able to get some really good longs soon. I have to go to work. Yeah, all right, each level is valid with a 5, 15-minute, 30-minute divergence. If the 5-minute breaks, you play the 15. If the 15-minute breaks, you play the 30. The 30-minute breaks, you don't do fucking nothing. You just wait. No, I am nowhere near a full-time trader. I might spend 20 hours a week on the charts and with members for one-on-ones. Most of the time spent in the DMs. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Yeah, I'm only part-time though. I have 3 other businesses that I run. Little League football that I coach. My husband. And I got friends, but usually my friends just have to come here and they'll watch me chart, just smoke and hang out. And he's a boyfriend. What? Nah, you're tripping, issue. You're funny, bro. All right, guys. Much love. Thank you everyone for hanging out. And me just pulling levels on a chart. Any questions? You know, you got tons of areas that you can add. Yes, I also coach football for free. For free. Chart ideas, hit me up. Chart ideas. My DMs are always open. If it does take some time, just please be patient. Yes, I'm located in South Florida, but I trade in Palau. I just take my PJ every time when I need to open up a trade. I just take the PJ and fly the Palau. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure, guys. Thank you, everyone. Have a beautiful day, and I will see everyone tomorrow's streams or later tonight with Bryce and Dow. Peace. Have a good one.